Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be repairing this LG Gram 16T90P-K.AAE7U1 that a customer sent to us with a damaged screen. The glass and top left corner of the frame and screen bezel were all damaged on this device when they dropped it, but the customer only wanted the screen replaced. The new screen won't sit perfectly flush, but it'll work. That being said, let's get into the video. To open up the laptop, we need to remove the screws on the bottom of the device. The screws are covered by these black rubber feet and stickers. After the screws are out, take a thin pry tool, carefully slide it between the bottom panel and the laptop, and gently pry it free. We're going to start with disconnecting the battery. That way there will be no residual power when we are disconnecting any cables. To get the screen off, we first have to remove the bottom plastic bezel. Then, using a plastic pick or spudger, go around the sides of the screen, releasing the retention clips and removing the adhesive. There are two long strips of adhesive tape on either side of the back of the screen. It can sometimes be difficult to get a hold of them, but once you have them, pull them straight up. If you pull them to the side, they can snap, and it will be that much harder to get them out. Pull the screen forward so you can unplug the EDP cable from the screen. Very gently lift the tabs on the touch control board to remove the ribbon cables. Using a spudger or a flat tool, work your way along the bottom to cut away the rest of the adhesive. Yes, we did do this out of order, but come back and take out this small cable on the touch control board. Now, we're going to work on removing the frame from the broken screen. This is a pretty labor-intensive process, since the tape is pretty strong here. Now, we're going to apply fresh adhesive to the frame. You do have to clean the old adhesive off of the frame, but it was too hard to do on camera, so we did it off screen. Now we fit the new screen into the frame. Put 2 new strips of adhesive on the back of the screen assembly. Make sure not to peel the film off of it until everything is plugged in. Plug the cables back into the touch control board. Please make sure these cables are properly seated. Many times people don't plug them correctly and the touch doesn't function properly. Now we plug the EDP cable back into the screen. Remove the adhesive and slot the screen back into place. As you can see, the top left corner is bent out of shape, but we'll do our best to get it in. Now we put the bottom bezel back on. Then we plug the battery back in, snap the bottom panel back on, and replace the screws and tabs. So this is how you repair a damaged screen on an LG Gram 16T90P-K.AAE7U1 laptop. If you need to source a replacement screen for this model, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.